So in this video I'm just going to make 3 different types of pizza. I'm going to do the New York style, thin crust and the Neapolitan style. So this oven can cope with it. So first thing, let's preset the oven to New York style. So select the mode that you want and select the style of pizza, so New York style. Press the button and let the thing preheat. Should only take a few minutes. So pizza's ready, into the oven, and yeah, that's how it does. I'm not sure how New York pizza's supposed to be, but I think it's supposed to be crispy and with a bit of a chewy crust and slightly brown top. Never been to New York, but let's see what it's like. So this takes about 8 minutes for a New York style. So here we are, it's done. Looks brown on the edges. Looks nice actually. Really like the look of that. It's just a simple Italian salami and mozzarella cheese. So let's slice it up, have a look. Here's a close-up. Looks nice, nice brown crust. Not as puffy as a Neapolitan, but looks nice. And the underside is just crispy. It doesn't look well done, but it's just crispy. So yeah, take a couple of slices. A bit of flop there. A bit of flop. I don't suppose it's supposed to flop too much, but this piece doesn't flop so much. When it cooled down, it also didn't flop at all. So yeah, it's pretty good. I really enjoyed that pizza. It's something I'm going to cook more often. Anyway, let's have a look at the thin crust. So set the oven up again. So again, just select it on the menu, and I think this is 5 minutes. A slightly higher temperature. It's 275 degrees. A thin crust. So in it goes. Press the button and just leave it. Don't turn it. That's what it looks like. So again, it's about 5 minutes, I think. So it's a nice thin crust pizza. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Looks pretty good. This is just mozzarella, some olives, a bit of salami. Nice bit of ham on this one actually. So yeah, it looks nice and thin, nice and solid, nice and crisp. So let's slice it up and have a look. Okay, yeah, it was really crispy, really thin. As thin as I could make it, really. So that looks really nice. Actually, I think I could have probably left this in it for another minute to get it really crispy. There's not much flop. There's a bit of flop, but it kind of holds up quite nicely. Tastes amazing. You just have to take my word for that. It's really good. Again, not much flop on that. It looks really crispy. So I think the oven did a good job of that. So final one. Let's go for the Neapolitan style. Full maximum temperature, 370 degrees C for 2.5 minutes. So set it up and then just press the button and let it heat up. It should only take 10 or 15 minutes to heat up, especially since it's already preheated from the other pizzas that I've made. So here we go. Neapolitan style, 2.5 minutes, 370 degrees C. Actually, I think the oven is a bit hotter than that. It's probably more like 400 because it tops out my laser thermometer. So this little close-up, it's really puffing up that crust now. Looks really nice. A few seconds left. Zoom in. That crust is really starting to get nice now. There's a bit of a bubble there that burns in the end, but that's what always happens. It's not a fault of the oven. It's just because it's a bit of a bubble. So out it comes. 2.5 minutes. Actually, it was less than 2.5 minutes. Looks really good. Piping hot. Let's chop it up on the chopping board. See what it looks like. Have a quick look at the undercarriage. Nice Italian salami. Mozzarella. Looks good. Bit of lepting around there. So looks authentic Neapolitan. Look at that undercarriage. Looks nice. Looks actually perfect. Looks perfect. Let's slice it up. And yeah, you can see there's a lot of air in that crust. There's a lot of air in there. Obviously I squashed it while cutting it, but you can see, just give it a press, there's a lot of air in that crust. And you have to take my word for it again, but it just tastes absolutely phenomenal. Can't rate this oven high enough, it's just absolutely great. It's really consistent at cooking any type of pizza. Yeah, it's really good. What can I say? So I think the oven performed really well with all three styles of pizza. I used the same dough throughout, so it was 67% hydration. Typically for a New York pizza you probably should use something around 60%, and the same for thin crust. So I think the oven, despite the dough that I used, performed really well. Another thing I should add is that if you are going to buy one of these ovens, you might as well get the bonus or bundle accessories that come with it, or that you can purchase. So you get the table, and you get some of the side tables, and you get a cover for about 40 quid more. So I would definitely go for those accessories. I mean, the table's really good, and so is the cover, which you'll definitely need if you're going to leave the thing outside. So altogether, I think it's a great package, it's a great oven, and I really enjoy using it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, send me a message in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, bye.